What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Saqib here from Tech Music, and as always with another new video. First of all, I'm sorry I was off for a long time. My exams were going on, but then again a lot of you guys requested for a build under 60k. A lot of people said that, but then again I realized I should do that, and fortunately I found a guy who wanted to feature his build on my channel, so I kinda ended up doing a Ryzen build. It's based on the Ryzen 5 4900. I didn't go with the Ryzen 5 2nd gen CPUs because at the end of the day he will be using a graphics card, so it won't be necessarily expensive. Spending a lot of money extra on the 2nd gen CPUs, and went with the 8GB Trident RGB RAM as he preferred, and the B350F gaming motherboard from ASUS, and also some stuffs like the casing and other stuffs are normal. But then again, let's hit the video up with the time lapse, and I hope you will all enjoy. See ya. So that wraps up for today's video, guys. If you like the video, give it a big like, share the video, and do let me know about the build in the comment section down below, and I will be seeing you all in the next one.